All right, what we're going to do now is we're going to clean out the inside of the barrel. We got all of our parts here scrubbed up, got the brake freeze setting in, got it brushed loose with our brushes. We're going to take our Hoppies number 9. I recommend you doing this in a ventilated area, doing it inside the garage with the garage door up or with a door open and, with a fan blowing out. We're in a well-ventilated area here. We're going to take, here's our bore snake. And the bore snake really is just a one-step clean. This has really revolutionized, firearm cleaning, or the inside of the barrel firearm cleaning, better than anything else. This takes away from us using a push rod, a jag, these patches, bore brushes, from brass brushes to nylon brushes. This is all just going to be one self-clean area. So what we're going to do is right here inside the bore snake, you see these little brass brushes here that are sewn into the snake here. And right in front of this, there's just a little patch area. Now what I like to do is I like to fold that right there. I just take a little bit of my Hoppies and I just dip that in there. And if you feel like you get too much, you can just wipe it right on the edge of the cap there, and we could just reuse that little bit. I'm going to unfold it. And remember, we're going to do this closest to the pull string, because we're going to want this Hoppies to go inside the barrel in front of the brushes, in front of the swab, because this swab is going to wipe out the inside of the barrel and give us a nice clean. Now, you always hear people talking about how you need to go, from inside the action out. I don't necessarily know that it really matters, but because of that, it's the way that I do it. So I just take this brass drop and I insert it into the barrel. And I drop it out here. And I just start to pull this nylon out. That's when I just kind of get this bore snake and I get it kind of lined up and get it ready to go. And then I pull it in here real slow until I feel those brushes, or the brass brushes, coming inside here. And then you just come in one smooth motion. You just start pulling. And you see that heavy part was where we're doing those brushes, and it's surprisingly how quick and how well those brushes on this snake clean it. Let me just keep pulling this out. And there we go. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to take a bore light and we're going to look inside the barrel and just see if we got anything and everything out.